Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to show you the process of refraction using a glass block. Now I've just pre-drawn my glass block here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in a normal line, measure an angle using a protractor, and then what I'll then do is show you how light passes through the glass block. So I'm going to draw a normal line in here first, and the normal line is always drawn perpendicular to the glass block's surface. Perpendicular means drawn at 90 degrees. So I'm just using my graph paper to try and keep me right. Now you'll notice that I'm just doing it as a sort of a dashed line here. Hopefully you can see it well in the video. But what I'm going to then do is use my protractor. I'm going to line up my normal line with the 0 point on the protractor, and I'm going to measure an angle of 30 degrees. So I'll mark it off just there. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to continue the line going towards where the surface of the glass block meets the normal. And that is going to be my instant ray. That's where the light's going to enter into the glass block. What we have here is a ray box producing a narrow beam, and this is done using a slit placed in front of the box itself, which contains a light bulb. You can see that the path of the ray entering at 30 degrees there is actually changing as it enters through the glass. You can see where the light is actually bending at that point. So this is the process of refraction. When light passes from air into glass, the light itself slows down. Light travels at 300 millimeters per second, but as it enters glass, it slows down to roughly about 200 millimeters per second. Now that's incredibly fast, but it's also a drastic slowdown if you think about it too. Then you'll notice that as the light's passing again from glass into air, well, it sort of redirects itself at the same angle again. If you compare the angle here with the angle at the normal, they are incredibly similar. And what's actually happening is, as the light passes from glass back into air, it essentially speeds up again. So it goes from 200 millimeters per second up to 300 millimeters per second.